Okay, multiplying and dividing fractions. Okay. Now there's a common error when we're multiplying and dividing fractions. A lot of people start talking about cross-multiplying. That is really only a rule when we have equivalent fractions, when there's an equal sign between them to simplify. When multiplying fractions, it's actually very, very straightforward. I want you to think of that word straightforward. We multiply the numerators by each other and the denominators by each other. That's it. There's nothing to change. We don't need a common denominator. We don't need anything else. 2 times 7 is 3 times 2 is? That's it. We're done. That's multiplying fractions. Just make sure you guys understand that idea. 5 by 6 would give us 4 by 8. What's our answer? That's it. Okay. Now, this is a little more complex. What we're going to do here is we're going to change our division question into a multiplication question. Okay? So, we're going to keep the same fraction that we started with, the very first one. We'll keep our 2 over 3. This question then turns into a multiplication question, and we're going to invert the second fraction. Okay? So that leaves us with 2 over 7, which is the inverted or the opposite of what we had before. From there, we know how to multiply. We just did it. It's very straightforward, like we said. So we'll end up with 2 by 2, which is 4, and 3 by 7, which is 21. Now, a lot of times, teachers, this is when they start talking about cross-multiplying. You can do it that way, but don't get it confused, okay? I suggest this way so we see the difference. So let's do that same pattern. I'm going to keep the same first fraction. I bring it down, 5 over 4. This then becomes a multiplication question. We invert the second fraction, so it becomes 8 over 6. And then we just multiply straight across. So we get 40 over 24. Yeah.